brief specification of trip. Welcome to my channel Travel Information. If you are come my channel, like, subscribe and share my video to your family, friends and relative. Today talking about the day tour in Paris. In this tour we visiting Sacre Coeur, Eiffel Tower, Seine River, Cruiser, and Louvre Museum. Almost 7 million people visit the Eiffel Tower annually. Firstly, I tell you brief specification of this tour. Vieta company providing lowest price guarantee. Reserve now and pay later, free cancellation only in 24 hours and refund your money. This is a 5 rating trip, and the most important of this stay trip is 9-hour approx, pick up and drop from selected location. Reserve now and pay later is an easy way to secure your spot while keeping your plans flexible. Pay at any time up to 2 days before your experience. Canceling is simple too. Overview of this trip. 1. Start the morning off by getting an early start to beat the crowds at the Eiffel Tower, and enjoy skip the line access for an added convenience. 2. Take an eye-opening tour of the Latin Quarter and Montmartre to get an up-close view and feel of the city. 3. Enjoy the views from the second level of the Eiffel Tower and take some pictures. 4. End the day with a relaxing Seine River cruise past some of Paris' most iconic sites. 5. Paris sightseeing with a small group maximum of 15 people. The small group of 15 people is gathered near the Eiffel Tower. They admire the iconic structure as they arrive. Tour guide, welcome, everyone. We're going to spend a day taking in some of the best sights Paris has to offer. Let's start by taking a closer look at the Eiffel Tower. The tour guide leads the group around the landmark, pointing out the architectural details. Tour guide, now let's move on to our next destination. As we explore, I'll describe the history of the area and answer any questions you have. The group visits several other parts of the city, such as Notre-Dame Cathedral. Cram multiple postcard-worthy attractions into one day. Start your day off with a visit to a nature preserve or garden. Take in the sights and sounds of nature, then snap pictures of beautiful flowers and trees. Afterwards, head to a nearby art museum for some high culture and stunning works of art. Snap some photos for the perfect Instagrammable moment. Once you've had your fill of art, make your way to a nearby tourist attraction. Whether it's a famous bridge or a local hotspot, get your cameras ready and take some memorable shots. First, you will have access to the skip the line tickets for the Eiffel Tower. You will also enjoy a 1-hour cruise along the Seine River, offering spectacular views of Paris. This is an amazing opportunity to take in the beauty of the city while avoiding the long lines. After your cruise, you can climb to the top of the Eiffel Tower and experience the breathtaking views of Paris. Take advantage of this special offer and book your skip the line tickets and Seine River cruise today. Enjoy the best. Skip the line tickets to the Louvre Museum. We have a special offer today, skip the line tickets. These tickets allow you to quickly enter the museum and enjoy all the attractions without waiting in line. Get yours today and make your visit even more enjoyable. Montmartre duration 2 hours. Your day starts at the base of Montmartre Hill, from where you'll meet your guide and a small group of no more than 15 people, then take the funicular to Sacre Coeur Basilica. After taking in stunning views of the city, your guide will lead you through the winding streets of Montmartre, stopping off at the neighborhood vineyard, artist hangout place du Terre, and a reconstructed windmill, much like those made famous by the Cabaret Club and movie Moulin Rouge. Ile de la Cité 1 hour 15 minutes. Paris's oldest district. The City of Light started on this very island, growing from a Roman outpost into the most populous and prosperous city in Europe. Above it rises Notre Dame. You will spend around 2 hours between the metro ride and the site. Louvre Museum duration 1 hour 45 minutes. See some of its most spellbinding works of art. The highlight is, of course, Da Vinci's Mona Lisa. Le Trocadero at San Esplanade duration 1 hour. After another short subway ride, you'll find yourself staring up at the Eiffel Tower from the best vantage point at Trocadero Plaza, learning the incredible story of how it was built. Eiffel Tower duration 1 hour. At the tower, your guide will depart, but as a parting gift they'll leave you with a skip-the-line ticket for the second floor and a ticket for a 1-hour Seine River cruise that you can use immediately. We'd recommend it since it's almost sunset, or save for the next day. Thank you for watching this video. If you are get some travel information, so like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel to your family, friends and relative.